Morning, guys. This is Fahad here with another vlog on the Euro USD and what we what we can predict from the charts. Before I start, I would like to mention that this is completely educational and it's in no way uh, it's completely educational for entertainment, and I bear no liability on any losses that you may incur due to this video or any advice given in this video. That being said, this is what I perceive as starting out as a beginner guy. This is what I perceive is going to happen in the market. Um, excuse this view for a moment. Um, so yeah, we can clearly see that the Euro USD itself has a price break, and we are trending along a level which with these pin bars which we see over here are obviously bearish candles which clearly demand or clearly warrant a movement to the downside. Now, my perception about this market is that because there is a very strong level of very strong level of support at 5330 or the 5300s, um, we can expect a downward trend because we are expecting a downward trend, and then we have a level form a bullish level form along this edge. We can expect the prices to move downwards to gain traction to finally resume an upwards trend again. That being said, it can very well be a fakey setup. Even in that case, it has to downtrend a little bit, or it has to downtrend and create some bearish move, which can then reverse and create a bullish candle. But we are not concerned with that. What we are concerned with is that can this market give us enough points while it is maintaining, or while it is gaining traction, and that's what we are worried about, and that's what we care about. And so what we're gonna do here is that we will technically, it's a live chart, so I'll come back and do another video of how it went, and probably we will be wrong, and we will see where we went wrong, and we will try to get an idea of how we can evaluate this chart further. But right now we have a consecutive three bullish candles, and we are expecting a downward move, whether to create traction for an upward bias or an upward trend, that we don't know yet. It can very well be a fakey setup, or it can, but what we know is that it should technically downtrend to the to the level depicted by this line. With that being said, let's go ahead and check the 4-hour pattern, see if we agree with that. As you can clearly see, uh, over here, let me draw an upward trend over here so that I can show you guys that this is clearly an upward trend, and it is already fairly down extended, that we should see an upwards extension, some traction upwards uh, till this point. So this, the 4-hour chart actually says something which is against the daily chart. So what we're going to do is that we're going to sit on the sidelines and see how we perform. If we resume an upward trend, then we need some kind of attraction from the downside, so we can play both sides and see how it goes. Now let me go back to the daily chart and show you how uh, this line looks on the daily. What you need to worry about, or what you need to take care of greatly, is that how these lines are, the scale of the line with respect to the time scale. We can clearly see that there's a bigger downtrend than an uptrend, and we can also see that there needs to be a return to this level to actually resume that. Now this